Hi, I'm Mike Richardson with Jessup Manufacturing. Happy 4th of July. So today I am cooking hamburgers, traditional 4th of July picnic and cookout, along with some hot dogs. Our previous video, I did nothing but vegetables. Now let's get to the meat. So I have a 2-pound package of ground meat. This is an 80-20 mix. Um, Honestly, I like a 85-15 mix, but they didn't have that at the grocery store. So we'll go with this. So seasoning it with some Grill Mates hamburger seasoning. You can use steakhouse seasoning or McCormick's just regular steak seasoning. I like the big pieces of seasoning that they have in it. So I'm going to get this nice and seasoned up. And then the trick to making a good hamburger is not working it too much, not making the meat tough. So we're just gonna fold this in, okay? And again, not making it too tough or not handling it too much. We're gonna make this into a meatloaf, if you would say. And then what I like to do is I like to chop or cut about a palm's worth and make a patty. So I will get the rest of this pattied up and then we'll get it on the grill, and that will complete our 4th of July cookout. Hope you're having a great day today. Come back and watch the finish, and be sure and read the email below. Thank you. All right, this will finish up my 4th of July cookout. I got the hamburgers done, finished them off on the flat top. As you can see, I flipped my grills over, but I left one side with the flat top. It helps me put the little crispy edges on the hamburger patties. So got a few of them with cheese. They're ready to come off. I hope you had a great 4th of July. You took some time with family and friends, enjoyed our great holiday. God bless you. God bless America. Be sure and read my newsletter below, and look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.